All right, John, here's your 427 small block Chevrolet, and we'll give you a description of this combination. It's got EFR heads on it. It's got the Edelbrock manifold, quick fuel carburetor, custom grind hydraulic roller, got your Milodon oil pan. Want to make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500, 519 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 567. Really nice number there. Peak horsepower 543, rate of 530, so everything good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things here. When you see you're in, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. And the engine crate will be this engine spec sheet. It'll have a lot of criteria in there. I highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.